Welcome back, everybody. Thank you for watching another video. Tonight we're going to have a look at one of Civivi's new knives. This is the Chevalier 2. And as always, guys, if at the ending of the video you want to purchase this awesome knife from Civivi and help support the channel, make sure you check out the link in the description below because we do get a commission if you purchase this awesome knife. And of course, before getting started, just want to thank the good folks out at Civivi for sending me this knife to review. Let's get started. Alright, let's begin with a quick size reference with the Chevalier 2 closed next to a permanent marker. I'm going to give you guys a little bit of a different perspective here and turn it vertically. Here it is opened up all the way. And we'll turn it around this way so you can have a look at it this way. Here is the approximate overall length closed. We'll go at just about 4.5 inches. Opened up all the way from the tip of this beautiful sheep's foot blade to the rear, just about 8 inches. Let's have a look at the thickness of these handles. So here's a pair of chopsticks. This is the thicker end. This is the thinner end. Let's place it right on here. So definitely closer to the thicker side there. Alright, here comes a ruler, and it looks like it's just about 5/8 thick. Let's have a closer look at the thickness of the spine area right here, and that definitely looks like it's thicker than 1/4. Yeah, that's definitely thicker, just a little bit. Alright, Chevalier 2 on the scale, just so you get a better idea for how much weight you're going to be putting in your pocket. Alright, overall weight coming in at 3.2 ounces. And just in case you're wondering how heavy that might feel like, well, that weighs almost as much as a full deck of cards. Alright, let's have a look up front here on the pivot area. We have a flipper opening mechanism. You can see the jimping here on the lever. Lightning fast and smooth caged ceramic ball bearing system. This is a push button lock, so it's very easy to close and open with one hand. As we've seen earlier, right here on your thumb ramp, we have a little bit of jimping, right? Not too aggressive. Have a fuller cut into the blade here on both sides. And this comes down to this beautiful sheep's foot design. Beautiful black stone wash finish, evenly coated on both sides of this sheep's foot blade. And this is a flat grind. You can see here there's absolutely no space between that chopstick and the blade flats there. It's going to be very easy to sharpen this guy. The steel type being used on the Chevalier 2 is a Sandvik 14C28N. This is a great entry-level steel. It's easy to sharpen, easy to maintain, has really good edge retention, and really good toughness for such an entry-level steel, and it's got really good corrosion resistance. Let's have a look at these beautiful black aluminum handles. This thing is all blacked out. It looks so tactical, guys. Ooh, look at that. Black hardware. Right, these are torque screws, so if you want to take it apart and clean it, even black standoffs. I love standoffs. Real easy just to blow dust through with some canned air or whatever kind of air you have. Nice beveling here. There's a better look at the pocket clip. Turn it sideways there, you can see that. All right, this is reversible to the other side, and this is tip-up carry only. And here's what the Chevalier 2 is going to look like when it's tucked into your pocket. Almost completely disappears. That is deep carry. Now, all of this looks good, sounds good, but the question is, can this cut right out of the box? You can check that box. Once again, guys, this has been the Chevalier 2 from Civivi. If you're looking for a new EDC knife that's slim, lightweight, and opens up lightning quick with a push-button lock, this might be a great option for you. Well, alright, guys, this is the ending of the video. Remember, if you want to purchase this awesome knife from Civivi, make sure you check out the link in the description below. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.